Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna see how we can install Selenium Webdriver on Windows machine. So let's get started. Installing Selenium Webdriver with Python is very easy, whereas with Java it's somehow difficult as compared to Python, because you may have seen that for Java we go to Selenium Webdriver website and download the jar files, then we open Eclipse, then we add the jar files path to the build path of Java. So these are a lot of steps and time taking. But in Python it is very easy and it's just a one command. For this, open console. For console, I have a third-party application which is EMU. Let's just first see what Python version we have right now. For this, type python-v. It's showing me the currently installed Python version, which is 3.6.4. You guys might have separate Python versions. It doesn't matter, all are same. Since I have only one Python version installed on my machine, so I didn't create any virtual environment. If you guys have multiple Python versions installed on your machine, then you need to create virtual environment to work with one Python version at a time. Let's just first see what packages we have on our machine. For this, type pip list. It's showing what I currently have. So I have two packages right now, which are pip and setup tools, nothing else. Let's clear the screen. Now to install Selenium, just do pip install Selenium. And that's it. It's installed. Let's see what packages we have now on our machine. For this, type again pip list and see. We have four packages now: pip, Selenium, setup tools, and url. So we have Selenium setup on our machine. We are done installing Selenium on our machine. Nothing much to do with it. To verify this, I'm just opening PyCharm. I'm gonna show you where you can see Selenium in PyCharm. We use PyCharm because it has better support for the Python. It's loading. Go to File, then Settings, then Project Interpreter under the project which was created before, and here you can see two packages, pip and setup tools. You are seeing two packages which were showing by default. In some cases, Selenium appears here successfully after installing it on machine, but in case it doesn't appear, then click this plus icon and search Selenium in the list. Select the Selenium and click on install package. It will install the Selenium package for the PyCharm. And it's done. Close it, and now you can see all those packages here, Selenium and url. Selenium installed successfully. You can see the message here. That's about it. We are all set. Okay. apply and OK. Guys, install Selenium on your machine and let me know if you have any question. Thanks for running this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.